with Chief Meteorologist Ned Perme.
Well, just loving to share these fall photos with you. We've been getting some great ones in. This one from Lake Maumelle comes to us from Jody Morris. Beautiful fall afternoon there. And this one, another gorgeous one from Bruce Robinette. And this is the Mulberry River. If you've got some photos you'd like to send us, we'd like to see them and we'd like to share them. photo@katv.com. And that's all you got to do. And we'll get those on. We've got getting a bunch of great photos over the last several weeks. And we are going to see some changes in the forecast, but we've got one more mild day, one more only. We're going to see the high topping out about 74. However, we are going to see some clouds building into the forecast and maybe even some showers, especially over western Arkansas late in the day between 6 and 8, about a 30% probability, mainly over the western counties. What about the rainfall? Well, we're expecting more tomorrow night into early on Thursday, but that'll be good. Right now, we're about average for this time of year. We had a really wet and stormy spring in February, March, April, and May. Really spiked, and then it dropped off the radar. By June, July, August, well, a little spike in August, but much of the summer into the fall very dry, so it averages about 1 3/4 inches below normal for the year to date, and we're pushing about 38 inches for the year so far. Temperatures today all in the 70s around the state. 77 degrees at Texarkana and Arkadelphia and Clark County, 74 at Pine Bluff, 73 up at Searcy and White County, and 75 at Russellville and also in the Little Rock area. Skies are clear across the region, but not for long. If you look to the north, that's where we've got clouds gathering and colder temperatures waiting in the wings with a frontal boundary. And look at all the snow flying from Utah into Colorado, all the way into the Nebraska Panhandle and the Dakotas. Not expecting the snowfall, but as that frontal boundary pushes on our way, we are going to see the chances of rain increasing late in the day tomorrow. And look at the temperatures behind the frontal boundary. 33 with some snow just to the northwest of Denver at this hour. 44 degrees North Platte. 49 degrees at Minneapolis. And you can see that demarcation line right there between the warm air over the south and the colder air to the north where that frontal boundary is. 56 degrees currently. Winds are from the southeast at about 6 miles an hour. And the dew point at 41, so it's still fairly dry out there. But we're going to see that old Gulf of Mexico open up a little bit tomorrow and allow some of that Gulf moisture to work in. That's going to meet up with the front tomorrow night. So you can kind of kiss these 50s and 60s at this hour goodbye because starting tomorrow night late and especially into Thursday and Thursday night, we're going to see a real good drop in the temperatures. But enjoy what we've got going for tomorrow. Lone Oak 74, 76 at Pine Bluff and Hot Springs, 75 at Benton, 73 at Maumelle, partly cloudy skies. A little farther to the north and a little later in the day, especially from Russellville northwest, about a 30% chance late in the afternoon and into the evening hours. Here comes the frontal boundary, picking it up as it moves into northwest Arkansas. 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow night, shower activity increasing into central Arkansas well after midnight, and then out of the state Thursday morning. Breezy and cooler conditions to follow. For tonight, mostly clear, 48 degrees. Tomorrow, partly cloudy, breezy and mild. Winds from the south at about 8 to 16, and we could have some gusts to 25 miles an hour late in the day out ahead of the frontal boundary. Mostly cloudy with a 70% chance of showers or thunderstorms. Not expecting a lot of severe weather. We could have a few strong storms, so we'll be here to watch that for you, but no widespread severe weather is anticipated. And after that, big drop in temperatures by nearly 20 degrees on Thursday's high, only 56, and the winds are going to be a little bit brisk in the morning. Another front comes in late in the weekend. This one's just going to kind of come in and sag and stall. So showers for a few days starting first of the week.
Yeah, okay. Pretty good looking weekend.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, thank you, Ned.